morning, maayong aga. Today here in Madikeri, they are celebrating a local festival and it's holiday for everyone. Holiday ni Mishka and sana holiday din Abhi. But then due to some pending work, he needed to go to the office. We planned to go there and be with him kasi this past few days, sobrang stress siya sa trabaho. And today, na holiday sana, and nasa bahay lang sana siya, nakasama kami. But unfortunately, hindi yun mangyayari today. So sinabi ko na lang sa kanya na kami na lang yung pupunta dun sa kanilang office. Sana sasabay kami, kaya lang meron pa siyang ibang mga office mates na pupunta din doon kaninang umaga. So sabi niya, sumunod na lang kami ni Mishka. So now we are ready. Meron ding bag si Mishka. Dinala ko yung kanyang blanket. Meron din akong bag. Kasi yung aking laptop, dala ko din. Kasi mag-edit ako doon. Doon din ako magtatrabaho. Para lang may makasama siya ba na hindi siya mas lalong ma-stress na sana pahinga ngayon, holiday. So doon pupunta kami ngayon. We are just waiting na tumila yung ulan. Excited na to yung anak ko kanina pa. Gusto na niyang pumunta sa office ni Daddy. It's the bunny. Before kami doon didiretso sa office ni Api, dadaan muna kami sa Pizza Hut. Meron pa kaming voucher, guys. So, bibili muna kami ng pizza using our voucher. And then, saka kami doon didiretso sa office ni Api. Pang lunch na namin. Mag-pizza party kami doon sa kanilang office para hindi na kami lalabas pag dumating na kami doon or kailangan namin lumabas para mag-lunch. So, at least meron kaming pizza. Baon na namin papunta doon. What are you bringing to Daddy's office?
My book.
And?
My crayons.
Your crayons? So where is your crayons?
Yes, I give baby Jasmine.
You wanna bring baby Jasmine?
Yes.
Okay.
This
one. Only one book you carry na.
No, I was my book.
Okay. Little Mermaid, Bambi, and what's this one?
A body.
The birdie. The wise old bird. Okay.
We go study office.
See you later.
Mommy!
Okay. Where
Mommy, help me get my crayons. Mommy, help me get my crayons.
Come on. Where is? Give me your blue bag. The TV is just on. Tapos na kami doon sa office nila ni Abhi. And hindi natuloy yung aming pizza party doon kasi hindi pala sila nag-accept ng voucher doon sa Pizza Hut. So instead, we came here, Hotel Mayura Valley View. Yung pizza party namin natuloy sa restaurant. Plano na Abhi na pumunta dito kasi maganda yung lugar nila, guys. Ay, ang nice pala ng view. Ha? So nice. Yan yung view pala. Ganda. Kaya pala yung pangalan niya is Viewpoint something. Must visit. Hindi pa kami nakatikim sa pagkain but the view is really good. Okay, wait. Uncle will clean the table. Malapit lang to sa bahay, guys, pero papasok siya and parang pag dumaan ka dun sa highway, hindi mo iisipin na meron palang magandang kainan dito with this view.
What do you want to eat?
What is this, Daddy?
This is not state. This is not private property. It's like a state development tourism.
Ah, okay, okay. Karnataka State.
I want dosa.
Okay. One dosa for me. They also have pool pala dito, oh. Kaya lang, sino yung maliligo dito? Sobrang lamig. Kumain. Ubos yung aming pagkain. Alas 4 na ng hapon. Late yung aming lunch kasi nagtrabaho pa talaga si Abi. So ngayon, ang lamig-lamig na dito, guys. Ay, nakita akong ibon dito. Saan yan? Mimi, there's so many doggies. Oh, this is the Hotel Mayura Valley View. Akala niya pinipicturean sila. Okay, Mimi. The best yung kanilang parking space dito. Huh? Oh, let's go home. Lapit-lapit lang talaga nito sa bahay, guys. But, hindi mo siya iisipin na meron pang hotel dito. Dito, oh, pabalik siya. We're home. And bumili kami ng cake.
Cake. I love
Pang dessert.
Here you go. Eat.
Is it
How much
yummy?
do a cake? Huh?
Huh?
That cake.
What cake?
What they have made? How much it was?
That birthday cake, 2 kilos is 2,400.
It's
But
good.
2,400.
Huh? Is it good?
Okay.
Dun sa bakery na kinahinan. Anong binilhan namin? Alas 12 na. So, I still have 30 minutes bago ko sunduin si Mishka. Kapagsain na ako daw and then ito. Yung lulutuin ko ngayon is okra curry. Ito na yung mas-slice ko na okra. Shallow fry ko ito muna. Then after, tsaka na yung masala and sibuyas, kamatis. Ganun. Meron din akong isa pang eggplant dito. So, ipiprito ko din ito mamaya.
Look at you, you with your emerald eyes like fields of green I've never seen before. They take my breath away. I'm not one to lose my words, but baby, I don't know what to say. You can't begin to imagine what it's like. The way you make me feel so seen and scared at the same time. It's hard to believe that you're mine, 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 oh mine. In my life, baby, don't need that. A little bit of sun, a lot of good love will never make me sad. When you look at me like that, and even when you're spinning the same time. It's hard to believe that you're mine, 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 oh mine. Baby, you're mine.
Nagsusundo na ako kay Mishka, guys. Mayroon akong dalang excuse letter kasi absent siya nung Friday and Monday. So, meron palang excuse letter or leave note, sabi ng teacher. So, ito isasubmit ko. What's that? Wow! So nice!
But please restart.
I will fix it, okay? I'll fix it at home, okay? Now, let's go. Put this inside your bag na.
This was the restart.
It's okay, Mommy will fix it at home. It's like that only, love. Now, let's go. Let's go. Tara, let's. Huya, huya. What is that name? Huya, huya. Say huya, huya.
Huya, Ma.
Okay, done.
No.
Let's go now.
I want more.
It's very hot. Ah, this one. Siya yung taga-open namin palagi ng pintuan. Push it. Oh no, it's not good. Our eggplant. Andito na sa Abhi, hindi ko pa naluluto yung eggplant. Hello! She found this, so she said, we'll celebrate Daddy's birthday.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Ito na yung aking bindi curry or okra curry. Mas maganda pa din sana to if ginawa kong puree yung onion and yung tomato. Kaya nang wala na akong time. So, ganito lang siya. Ayan na yung kanyang lunch. Meron siyang dal. Tapos nag-separate ako kanina sa kanya ng okra bujia. Tapos yung eggplant yan yung kinakain niya ngayon. Ito naman yung sa akin. Ulam namin ni Abhi. Bindi curry and yung eggplant. Tapos maglalagay pa ako ng achar. It's a sunny day today. Weather is good. Meron din pang batang naglalaro dito ng skates. Nahatid ko na si Mishka sa school. And for lunch, gusto ko ng madali, mabilisan lang na pagluluto. So, plano ko na mag-chicken barbecue kasi marinate lang and then luto sa air fryer. I still have 2 hours pa naman. Marami pang time. So, it's good. Ganda-ganda ng panahon today. Ang init. Magandang maglaba. Kaya yung mga sinampay ko doon sa labas ko na nilagay yung mula sa loob para matuyo. Bibili lang ako dito ng garlic and kung may gulay ako na makita, hindi na ako pupunta doon sa Smart Bazaar kasi mapapalayo ako and it will take time. Mayroon pang garlic dito. Taas lang garlic. Walang garlic. At ito merong garlic. I got my chicken and garlic. 1 kilo chicken and yung aking garlic. Sabi ko kay Kuya, barbecue size. Okay na to. Hindi siya yung buo talaga na chicken leg and chicken breast. Pero okay na to. Liliit ito kanilang garlic. Ito yung mahirap maghimay-himay. Tingnan niyo naman yung chicken legs, guys. Oh, ang lalaki.
Look at you, you with your emerald eyes like fields of green I've never seen before. They take my breath away. I'm not one to lose my words, but baby, I don't know what to say. You can't begin to imagine what it's like. The way you make me feel so seen and scared at the same time. It's hard to believe that you're mine, mine, mine.
Yes, ihanda ko na lang ngayon yung aking sausawan. Dalawang klase yung aking sausawan. Yung isa kasi lalagyan ko ng chili para kay Abhi. Yung plano ko is i-air fryer ko yung aking chicken. Pero ngayon, naisip ko na siguro i-shallow fry ko muna siya sa pan para ma-absorb niya yung aking marinade. Pag half cook na siya, saka ko na lang siya ilalagay sa air fryer para medyo, alam mo yung may sunog-sunog feels. So ngayon, sa pan ko muna siya lulutuin.
I've never seen before. They take my breath away. I'm not one to lose my words, but baby, I don't know what to say. You can't begin to imagine what it's like. The way you make me feel so seen and scared at the same time. It's hard to believe that you're mine, 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 oh mine.
Food is almost ready. Wow, she got a star today. Bill, let me see. Wow. Kasusundo ko lang kay Mishka sa school, guys. And sabi ko, pagbalik ko, tsaka ko na lang ilalagay sa air fryer yung aking chicken. Tapos, pagdating dito sa bahay, brown out. So, hindi ako makakagamit ng air fryer. So, dito ko na lang tululutuin sa pan. Anytime, darating this up. Then, we'll have food. You like chicken barbecue, Love Lab? Chicken barbecue.
Yeah, I like.
You like it? Okay, come here. Mom?
What is that?
Chicken.
Chicken barbecue.
Yeah?
How much chicken
Ang lalaki ng chicken nila, guys.
Chicken barbecue. I want chicken barbecue.
Ang lalaki ng chicken nila, kaya hindi siya ganun ka-tender. Kita mo naman sa legs niya na ano. Ang lalaki niya. So, kailangan talaga ano siya, slow cooking.
What is that?
Pepper.
Pepper for Daddy?
Yeah.
Bye-bye, Daddy.
Daddy is coming home. Try natin. So, yan. Iniwan ko na walang pepper yan. Para kay Mishka. And alam nyo ba, good girl si Mishka today. Kasi nag-CR na siya sa kanilang school. Hindi yan siya nagsa-CR, guys. Lalo pa pag, alam mo yung hindi malinis sa paningin niya yung CR. Hindi talaga yan magsi-CR kahit saan. Kaya niyang i-hold na hindi siya umihi sa labas. Tapos kapag dito na siya sa bahay, tsaka lang siya mag-CR. So, hindi siya maganda na hihintayin pa niyang dumating dito sa bahay before siya mag-toilet. So, sinabihan siya namin na if umihi siya sa kanilang school, meron siyang reward. Dadalan siya ni daddy ng lollipop. Ito din yung technique ko na ginawa sa kanya nung nagpati train ako sa kanya. Sabi ko, if mag-wiwi siya sa kanyang seat, bibigyan ko siya ng chocolate. So, 3 days na ganon, meron siyang reward na umiihi siya sa kanyang toilet. Nasanay na lang siya after nun. The 4th day, hindi na siya humingi ng chocolate. Nakalimutan niya na. Basta automatic na lang na nung feeling niya na iihi siya, diretso na siya sa banyo. So, yun ngayon yung ginagawa namin na strategy sa kanya. Meron kaming reward system kapag umihi siya sa kanilang school. So, yun nga, ginawa niya today. So, yun dahil doon, hindi pa siya ata, nag 2 years old, pati trained na siya. So, kami guys, naka-save kami sa pagbili ng diaper. Kasi hindi na siya gumagamit ng diaper. Or kahit pinapasuotan ko siya ng diaper tuwing lalabas kami or minsan pag sa bahay, yung malamig, ganyan. And kapag patulog sa gabi, hindi niya talaga ginagamit. Hindi niya talaga nababasa yung diaper kasi nagbabanyo talaga siya. So, doon kami naka-save sa kanya eh. Ito na yung aking chicken barbecue. Yeah, hindi natuloy sa air fryer. Which one? Chicken leg? This one or this other leg?
This other.
Excited na si Minnie kumain ng
Or
chicken.
this bone.
Yeah, there's bone. Small. Like it? Eat her.
I love you, Mommy.
I love you too.
Mmm.
Yummy. Aww. Eat rice. I'll help you. This one. Put that inside the rice. You wanna try this? You wanna dip here? No.
Chicken sauce.
Chicken sauce, yes.
Mmm.
If you were a mountain, then I'd be the sun. I'd keep you warm the whole day long. Tuck you in when nighttime comes. I'll always be with you, my love.
nakapag-lunch na kami. Busy ako paghugas ng pinggan, paglilinis dito sa kusina. And pag malinis ang kusina, tignan nyo, malinis yung aming kusina. Nahugasan ko lahat yung mga nakatambak sa aming sink. Pero sigurado yan, kapag malinis yung kusina, may isang parte ng bahay talaga na magulo at kailangan linisin. Diba? Tingnan nyo yung kanyang mga hair tie. Pinaglaruan niya pala. Love, love, clean it up. I will not clean it up for you.
Oh.
You're ready for mga inasal.
Where is baby?
But she has eaten. She likes my chicken inasal. Ito kay Abhe. Yung huli kong batch, kasi pinakain ko na una si Mishka, dinagdagan ko to ng medyo marami-rami pang pepper. There's chili. This is mine. Ito naman yung sa akin. Kain tayo.
Where is it? Here only. This one?
Because last time, they only have mutton. Chicken they don't have. So I was thinking it's better safe, I will just go this side. They have? Last time I came there, they don't have. Listen to Mama. Colorful here and the black rubber pants here.
Baba.
Yeah.
And black one is over there. Mommy, why putting it half there? Why putting it black there?
It should be separate, love, so we know where is the color black and where is the colorful ones.
If you watch my video, like this time. Like my video, like this time. Bye.